Carmack make a 50 kilograms welding positioner is a turntable device designed to hold and rotate workpieces during welding, allowing welders to easily access all sides of the piece for better weld quality and increased productivity. It typically has a weight capacity of 50 kilograms in the horizontal position and 25 kilograms in the vertical position, and features a worktable that can be tilted 0 to 90 degrees for optimal welding angles. Some models also include a foot pedal for speed control and a time controller box for automated operation.